Welcome this time in part 6, how I model the Stargate. In this part, I will show you how I model the inner part of the gate. This part of the gate I call the emitters because I think they send the signal to open the wormhole. Also, I will model the garble. I don't know if I pronounced this correctly. Garbles, which decorate the outside part of the gates and also the small part where is the lock. And finally, in the end, I will bend the gates to give them this characteristic arc shape. Let's not waste more time. Let's start. Here I started from emitters. It took me a while to model them because I couldn't find high resolution picture. Everything what I could find was low resolution. So I didn't know exactly how I should model this. So I use little bit of my imagination and kind of compromises to model the emitter as close as possible to the original. After I finish model the first emitter, I use array modifier to duplicate it and to attach emitters to the Stargate. Like before, I used merge by distance. Here I wanted model the garbles from my head. Of course I was using the reference photos, but to be honest, modeling of garble went really slowly and the quality wasn't as good as I expected. Didn't look as good as the original. I was looking for add-ons for Blender that will generate the garbles, but I couldn't find the generator that can generate the pattern that you can see on the gate. Here I have to say I'm really sorry because the video how I modeled the garbles doesn't exist. I forgot to turn on OBS to record it. And it was way too late when I realized I didn't press record button. So what happened was I tried to model by myself, as I said before, but then I deleted everything, and then I imported the picture of garble patterns, which I used as a template so I could model all those shapes. After I realized I don't record, I pressed record button one more time, and as you can see, I already modeled the half of the pattern. And now you see the process of the rest, how I was doing it. When I finish modeling everything, I duplicate this model, and all those small pieces of garbles I moved manually and spaced them and placed them in the right places on the outside part of the gate. And I'm sorry again, I don't have video of that process because then I noticed OBS Studio just stopped recording. But you can look at those renders to see how the final product look. Finally came the moment to bend the gate, but before I did that, I joined all the pieces to be one model, and then I use simple deform modifier and switch to bend, and then I bend the gate in 40 degrees, and this is how I created this arc shape. After I bend the gates, I noticed there is a small problem with the circles on the top of the gate because the bend modifier stretched them, but I fixed that pretty fast because I used the loop tool. I selected all the ring loops of the shape and just pressed the circle option and the shape back to normal. If you like this kind of video, please press like button and consider share this video with your friends. Also, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget press the notification bell icon. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.